How to trim a video in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can trim a video in your Canva design. So as here you can see, I have this design right here in which I have added this video which is around a minute long. So let me show you how you can trim this video according to your specific need. So as here you can see, this is the video right now which is currently playing. So there are a number of methods or ways using which you can trim a video. So let's explore them one by one. So the first method is that you use the sliders which are present over here. So as here you can see that just as I have hovered my cursor towards the extreme right hand side of this video, you can see this slider appearing right here. So you can simply double click to hold this and then you can move it towards the left hand side in order to trim this video. So for example, let's say if I want this video to be trimmed out to 30 seconds, I can keep on dragging this particular slider till it reaches 30 seconds. And once it reaches the 30-second mark, I can precisely hold it towards the 30 seconds and then release it. And once I will release that, you can see that now the video length is only 30 seconds. So this is the first method using which we can trim our video. Now let's moving on to the another method. Let me just quickly undo the changes, and now we are back to our a minute long video. So in order to change the length of this video or trim it, what you can do is, for example, let's say you want this video to be only 40 seconds long. So what you can do is simply click over to the 40 seconds right here, and then you can drag this particular line towards the 40-second mark. And once you have done that, you can press the S key, or you can simply right click over to this line and click onto this option that says split page. And once you will do this, you can see that this section has been separated from this particular section of the main video. So simply click onto this separated section or the unwanted section, and then you can press the delete button, and you can see that the another section has been successfully deleted, and our video has been successfully trimmed to 40 seconds. So this is the second method using which you can trim your videos in Canva. Now moving on to the third method is that you click onto this trim option over at the top. Once you click onto this trim option, from here you can choose the amount of the length of the video that you want. So for example, let's say 32 seconds. So you can simply remove this timestamp and add 32. And once you will do this, you can click onto this done button right here, and here you can see that the video has been successfully and precisely trimmed to 32 seconds. So these are the most common and easier ways using which you can trim down a video in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.